Here again, an International. Now this is, like I said, it's it's a it's a wide spec frame on this one here. Probably a 2 foot side box, and yeah, I mean it looks like a pretty heavy duty truck to me, and it's definitely something that a lot of guys would probably go for it because this is what you're looking for in your trucking career. So, I mean, I like the two side. For me, I like the 2 foot side as well. And here again, someone added a board, like most guys do, add a board on top because you see the gussets here. Most times on a box, you'll see gussets on top of the boxes to add that extra height by adding a piece of 2x6 or 2x8 board, even 2x10 board, right? To get the extra height, which is kind of nice because sometimes you want the lower height, right? So this is a good box. It doesn't have the bonnet that goes over top. I call it a bonnet that goes over top the cab. This one doesn't have that, which makes it for a very low profile kind of a truck. So this is also a very good combination as well, and it'd be another good truck for your dump trucking career. We'll carry on. Here's another combination. It's probably a 5-ton truck. And it has another kind of a lift in it. It has a scissor lift in it. So a lot of these trucks I'm showing you are low profile sides, and they're easy to load and such, and you don't always need the best lifting system in them. Most of the trucks will come with a scissor lift on them, and hydraulic scissor lift. Some will be electric over hydraulic, or they will be PTO. This one here is electric over hydraulic. Don't diss the electric over hydraulic deal on dump beds. I mean, they can lift. I've seen them I've seen them as weight capacity go up to 10 or 10 I think 10 to 20 tons, maybe a little more, and you can get right up there, right? But on this kind of combination, you're not going to be hauling no more than 20 tons anyway, if that. So maybe 10-ton probably your most on it. It just depends on what your truck's rated for and such. And that being said, you have to be careful on your weight and your GVW on your truck. Basically, to be careful on your weight rating on your truck, right? And your hoist capabilities. You don't want to be overloading that box, because then what's going to happen? You're going to be in there with a shovel or your excavator unloading your truck, like I've done that already this year. This past in 2021, did it a couple times because my truck is overloaded. That's something to be very careful about when you are getting this kind of a box. You don't want to fill it up too much. Just heap it up a little bit, and that's perfect. That's what it's designed for. It's not designed to be hauling super loads with. So, just food for thought, right? So, but like I said, you can have these dump beds as electric over hydraulic, and you can see that on this truck here. Here's your electric over hydraulic reservoir right there. So it's also a very good way to go. Anyways, we'll continue.